To integrate Google Analytics segments. Start by understanding what segments are and how they can help you analyze your data. Segments are subsets of your data that allow you to isolate and examine specific groups of users, such as those from a particular country or who have completed a certain action on your site. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Audience section. Then click on Segments. Here you will see a list of predefined segments that Google provides, such as all users, paid traffic, and organic traffic. You can also create your own custom segments by clicking on the New Segment button. To create a custom segment, give it a name and description. Then define the conditions that a user must meet to be included in the segment. For example, you could create a segment for users who have visited a specific page on your site, or who have made a purchase. Once you have created your custom segment, you can apply it to any report in Google Analytics to see how that specific group of users has behaved. This allows you to compare the behavior of different groups of users and identify trends and patterns that may not be apparent when looking at your data as a whole. When creating custom segments, it is essential to keep in mind the scope of the segment, which can be either hit level, session level, or user level. Hit level segments apply to individual page views. Session level segments apply to entire sessions. And user level segments apply to all of a user's interactions with your site over time. Best practices for integrating Google Analytics segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant, using them to inform your marketing strategy and optimize your site, and combining them with other Google Analytics features, such as goals and events, to get a more complete picture of your users' behavior. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Google Analytics segments into your analytics workflow and gain a deeper understanding of your users and how they interact with your site. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your site to better meet the needs of your users, ultimately driving more conversions and revenue.